The problems that besets the 7 billion and counting population of the 193 countries around the world, me and you included. Poverty. According to statistics, 80% of humanity lives on less than $10 a day, of which comprises 5% of the global income coming from the 40% poorest of the world's population, manifesting the unbalanced distribution of wealth between countries and the social strata. Starvation. With poverty comes famine. According to research, approximately 790 million people in the developing countries are still chronically undernourished, which is due to the unproportioned income and number of dependents among the big and extended families. Infant population. According to the 2014 survey, 255 worldwide births per minute, or 4.3 births every second, occur in a split of time, of which 35% belongs to the low-income earners in the world, hence the increase of child labor around the countries. Competition for space. With the adverse effects of urbanization and its enticing opportunities for work, approximately half of the world's population now lived in cities and towns. Though maintaining economic stability, people still tend to exploit and degrade left resources in the particular area. Pollution. One of the biggest global killers affecting 100 million people, comparable to global diseases like malaria and HIV. Not only humans, but pollution also kills more than 1 million seabirds and 100 million mammals every year, thus contributing to mass animal extinction. Diseases. While children make up 10% of the world's population, over 40% of the global burden of diseases falls on them. Though more than 3 million children under age 5 die annually from environmental factors, 1.8 million children die each year due to the diarrhea and other diseases. Shortage of resources. As the population increases, the resources dramatically decreases. Some 1.1 billion people in developing countries have inadequate access to water, while 1.6 billion doesn't have access to electricity and other resources.